Climates of India is our new topic, and here we are going to cover 30 important multiple choice question answer from the chapter. So let us start. First question is, what types of climate does India have? And the options are equatorial, tropical monsoon, desert, Mediterranean. So the correct answer is tropical monsoon. This type of climate does India have, right? Next, the monsoon winds blow from, and the options are land to sea in summer, sea to land in summer, sea to land in winter, land to sea throughout the year. So, the monsoon wind blow from sea to land in summer, right? Next, which of the following region receive rainfall from the retreating monsoon? And the options are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. So, Tamil Nadu receive rainfall from the retreating monsoon. Next, the western disturbance caused rainfall in eastern India, western coastal plain, northwestern India, southern plateau. So, northwestern India, the western disturbance caused rainfall. Next, during which season do cyclones occur in the Bay of Bengal? And the options are summer, winter, monsoon, retreating monsoon. So the correct answer is the retreating monsoon. In this season, cyclones occur in the Bay of Bengal. Next, the coastal region of India generally experience, and the options are extremely hot summers, extremely cold winters, moderate climate, no rainfall at all. So, moderate climate. The coastal region of India generally experience moderate climate, right? Next, the northeastern state of India have, and the options are desert climate, steppe climate, cold desert, wet and humid climate. So, wet and humid climate. Next, which state in India received the highest rainfall due to its climate? Assam, Kerala, Meghalaya, West Bengal. So, it is Meghalaya specifically, Maestrom is the area where it received the highest rainfall due to its climate, Meghalaya. Next, which of the following states has a tropical wet and dry climate? And the options are Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh. Maharashtra state has a tropical wet and dry climate. Next, a semi-arid climate is found in, and the options are Rajasthan, Karnataka Plateau, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. So, in the Karnataka Plateau, a semi-arid climate is found. Next, which factor causes variation in the types of climate across India? And the options are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, all of the above. So, the correct answer is all of the above. It means latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, all these factors causes variation in the types of climate across India, right? Next, the climate of a place is cooler at higher altitude because, and the options are there are more trees, the area is thicker, the sun is weaker, the temperature decreases with height. So the correct answer is the temperature decreases with height. That's why the climate of a place is cooler at higher altitude. Okay. Next, areas near the equator are generally, and the options are cold throughout the year, moderate in temperature, hot and humid, covered in snow. Hot and humid. Next, the presence of mountain affects climate by, and the options are making the air hotter, blocking rainfall and causing rain shadows, making the region flat, preventing sunlight. So the correct answer is blocking rainfall and causing rain shadow. Okay. Next, which of these statements is true about latitude and climate? And the options are temperature increases as we move away from the equator. Temperature remains the same at all latitudes. Temperature decreases as we move away from the equator. Latitude has no effect on climate. So the correct answer is temperature decreases as we move away from the equator. Okay, so this is the true about latitude and climate. Next, the Himalayas influence the climate of India by, and the options are letting cold wind from Central Asia enter, blocking cold wind from Central Asia, causing heavy rainfall in Rajasthan, causing heat waves in southern India. So the correct answer is blocking cold winds from Central Asia. Okay, so the Himalaya influence the climate of India by blocking cold winds from Central Asia. Next, what is the main reason for seasonal changes in climate? And the options are rotation of the earth revolution around the sun, gravitational pull of the moon, tides in the ocean. So earth revolution around the sun is the main reason for seasonal changes in climate. Next, the Thar Desert has a hot and dry climate mainly due to, and the options are high altitude, proximity to sea, low rainfall and sandy terrain, dense forest. So, the correct answer is low rainfall and sandy terrain. That's why Thar Desert has a hot and dry climate. Okay, next. Which factor causes more rainfall on the windward side of mountains? And the options are condensation of warm air, presence of snow, melting glaciers, lack of sunlight. So, condensation of warm air. Next, how does climate affect our daily life? And the options are it influences the types of clothes we wear, it affects the crops we grow, it determines the kind of houses we build, or all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. Because our climate affect our daily life, it influences the type of cloth we wear, then it also affects the crops we grow, and it determines the kind of houses we build, right? Next, how does climate influence festivals and lifestyles? And the options are festivals are celebrated only in winter. Climate has no effect on festivals. Many festivals are linked to seasonal changes and agricultural cyclones. Festivals happen randomly. So, the correct answer is many festivals are linked to seasonal changes and agricultural cyclone. That is, the climate influences the festivals and lifestyles. Next, cyclone usually occur in which of the following areas? And the options are desert, coastal areas, mountain peaks, plain of northern India. So in the coastal area, cyclone usually occurs. Next, which of the following can help reduce the impact of flood? And the options are cutting trees on river bank, building dams and embankments, constructing more houses near rivers, burning forests. So building dams and embankments. Okay, this will help in reducing the impact of flood. Next, what is a heat wave? A sudden drop in temperature, a long period of excessively high temperatures, heavy rainfall during summer, strong winds in winter. So, a long period of excessively high temperature is a heat wave. Next, which human activity contribute most to climate change? And the options are planting tree, walking to school, burning fossil fuels, and using solar energy. So burning fossil fuels is human activity that contribute most to climate change. Okay. Now next, we are here in the 26th question number. So which of the following is a major effect of climate change? And the options are decrease in sea level, more rainfall in desert, melting of glaciers and polar ice, less sunlight on earth. So melting of glaciers and polar ice is a major effect of climate change. Next, what is the greenhouse effect? Plant growing faster in greenhouses, heating of earth due to gases trapping sunlight, cold air entering the earth's surface, a method to cool the earth. So, heating of earth due to gases trapping sunlight is the greenhouse effect. So, 28, question number, which of this is not a greenhouse gas? Methane, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor. So, oxygen is not a greenhouse effect. Which renewable energy source help reduce climate change? And the options are coal, petrol, solar power, natural gas. So, solar power help in reducing climate change, right? And the last is global warming leads to, and the options are cooler summers, increase in natural disasters like flood and heat waves, decrease in sea level, more snow in desert. So increase in natural disaster like flood and heat waves. So this is the correct answer. So So here we have covered 30 important multiple choice question answer for the topic climate of India. I hope this MCQ is going to help you, and thank you for watching until the end. This much for this video.